Hi, I am Charlotte Whiting. I work on partnerships for Healthful. We design sustainable business solutions that address climate change to help us all live more sustainable lives. Working with Mastercard and the Priceless Planet Coalition helping to address climate change was really exciting for us at Healthful, and especially supportive at the start of our journey. Tree planting not only restores forests and ecosystems, but communities and livelihoods, and we really wanted to be a part of that. It's really great to work on a real partnership that has such wide reach and achieve real impact together. We think one of the most exciting trends is actually collaboration. We see more and more businesses collaborating and working together to combine solutions and technologies that are going to deliver a balance of purpose and profit. We're more powerful together.